OmSakthi, Guruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam. Wheezing is a whistling or rattling noise you hear when the airway is partially blocked. It is common to experience wheezing during the winter and rainy seasons. Wheezing will often follow a cold or a bronchial inflammation. Children or elderly people are more vulnerable to the effects of wheezing and asthma. With asthma attacks, it is common to be treated using steroids, corticosteroids, injections, and maybe even a nebulizer. Inhalers like albuterol are commonly prescribed to treat wheezing and shortness of breath. In extreme cases, the wheezing is only controlled by the use of a nerve injection. Bronchial asthma is the difficulty in the flow of air due to the inflammation of airways. Allergies can also cause bronchial asthma. Bangaruamma has always taught us food is the cure. So what does Amma tell us to manage wheezing? Goat's milk and figs are simple remedies for asthma. You should note, only the milk of native goats have medicinal value. Goat's milk has a bronchodilator which expands the airways and boosts immunity. Allergens like dust and smoke will not shrink the airways when you drink goat's milk regularly. And of course, you can't drink goat's milk and eat figs in one day and expect results overnight. The remedy should be followed consistently and you will see relief from asthma and wheezing symptoms. Another remedy is the whites of a native or heritage hen's egg. This should be prepared with black pepper. This is another great way to control asthma. Pepper is also a bronchodilator and a great expectorant, helping to pull out stubborn phlegm. Amma also advises asthma sufferers to not use soap. Soap consists of many chemicals. To avoid chemical allergies, avoid soap while bathing, and instead use powdered shiakai, lemon peels, green gram, and kasturi turmeric. If you have difficulty getting this powder ready at your end, get the bathing powder available in the Siddha, which consists all of the above mentioned items as the ingredients. The goat's milk should be boiled well, the skin should be removed, and dry ginger, pepper, and long pepper powder should be added. This drink will heal asthma completely. All three herbs are good expectorants. They are also good bronchodilators and dilate the airways. They also have anti-allergic qualities. Asthma is generally caused by an allergic response. Hence, adding this powder to goat's milk will heal asthma completely. Amma has given simple medicines to combat asthma. Goat's milk with the herbal powders, figs, egg whites with black pepper, and natural bathing powders are all gifts from nature available to us. The most important factor is our faith in the remedies our Guru has given us. Trust Amma's words and her remedies, and I hope you will find relief from asthma and wheezing. Thank you and OmSakthi.
Ammavai ninai maname melmaruvathur ammavai ninai maname.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaruamma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.